Part 7. The Non-Custodial Revenue Source. Modern Debtor's Prison. This part of your series exposes how the state uses the threat of incarceration and the stripping of civil rights to force payments, even when a parent is physically or financially unable to pay. 1. Civil contempt, the loophole to the Constitution. The hook? You can't go to jail for debt in America unless that debt is child support. The exposure? The state uses civil contempt to bypass the 14th Amendment. They argue you aren't being punished for a crime, rather you are being coerced to follow a court order. The complicity? This allows the state to jail parents without a public defender in many jurisdictions, even though the parent is facing a loss of liberty. The state calls the jail cell key a purge bond, meaning you can leave as soon as you pay a lump sum, which the state then splits for incentives. 2. License suspensions, the catch-22. The hook? The state takes away your ability to work so they can punish you for not working. The exposure? Federal law requires states to have procedures to suspend drivers, professional, and recreational licenses for non-payment. The complicity? This is a pure revenue play. By threatening a commercial driver's license, CDL, or a plumbing license, the state squeezes lump sum payments out of extended family members. It's not about the child. It's about hitting the collection benchmarks required for Title 4D bonuses. 3. The credit reporting blacklist. The hook? You destroy your credit so you can't even get an apartment. The exposure? States automatically report arrears to credit bureaus. The complicity? Once your credit is destroyed, you cannot get a car loan to get to work, or a lease to have a home for your children to visit. The state prioritizes the mark on your credit record as leverage. 4. Passport denial and seizure. The hook? You are trapped within the borders if you owe the state. The exposure? If you owe more than $2,500, the State Department is notified to deny your passport application or renewal.
Why the state prefers incarceration over modification. It's easier to jail you than to fix a wrong order. The exposure. When a parent loses a job, it can take months to get a modification hearing. During that time, the debt keeps piling up because of the Bradley Amendment from Part 5. The complicity. Because the state gets incentive money based on collection on arrears, they would rather jail a parent and force a purge payment from their relatives than lower the order to a realistic, sustainable amount.